We don't have time. You might want to go to this playlist here where we covered in 10 minutes. We need to take a tile somewhere on the DOM and convert it to the index of the red byte of the pixel encoding the tile value we want to put or get. Here's our inputs. We are going to bounds check our inputs right here if error checking is on. This is the output data pixel component index that we want to get. Here is the pixel X, pixel Y, the index, and the component index. This is commented out because we already have this. We want to get the 512 by 512 memory cell on the texture that stores the level pack. Then we want to get the 128 by 128 cell that stores the actual level right here. And then we want to get the cluster of data that stores a given tile size by using this diagonal offset here. Then we want to know what layer of data do we want. Do we want tiles, bombs, or FATA? And that's the calculations in here. Then lastly, we need to convert this tile X, tile Y, which is local to an entire room / level, and we need to convert it to something that is local to the level, TX and TY. Once we have all those pieces of information, we can string them together. The 512 by 512 memory cell, plus the 128 by 128 level, plus the tile size diagonal offset, plus the tile layer offset, plus the tile XY local coordinate. That'll give us the data pixel X, data pixel Y. That is the pixel coordinate on Pix 2048, where we're bit packing the tile information. We need to convert that to an index. We multiply by 2048 the Y, then add the remainder of X to get the index on our 2048 by 2048 texture. Then we multiply by 4 to get the address of the red byte, and then we return it. Here's what we did previously. Here's just some tags, more tags. We wrote this diagram in this video, but we don't have time to go over it in this video. Go to the other playlist if you want to see that explained, and here's what we did in this video. So you can check out the source code here if you want to look at those diagrams. This has been video 166. Like and subscribe.